All right, so this is the seventh question that you should know for the final. Again, here, please stop the video, try to do it on your own, and hopefully you still remember your homework, right? Now, what we have here, you can read through it. So what I'm looking for, really, I'm looking for the average, all right? I'm looking for a standard deviation, which is, the average is 24.3, standard deviation is 2.6. However, here I can see that the company provides is 36 employees, so they are making a sample. All right, so I am using sample here with C36, and of course we are looking for the probability, which is this one here. So the probability of X bar, so remember here I'm using the central limit theorem because I'm using the X bar, so the sigma will change. The sigma that you're going to be using is not 2.6 anymore, it's 2.6 divided by radical n, which is radical 36, right? And here they are assuming that cellular phone life is normally distributed variable, and this sample is taken from a large population, and the correction factor can be ignored, right? So there is no correction factor, which means we are using the Z table. This in conclusion. All right, again, I'm gonna try to use the simplest and easiest method, which is the calculator. I'm not going to go through all the steps, all right? However, I'm going to show you how to get the result with the calculator. So the first thing probably you should do, make a small graph, all right? So let me see here, the probability of X bar less or equal than 23.3. So this is what we are looking for, the probability of X bar less than 23.3, right? So we start with our normal distribution, and it would be great to put always the environment, which is the mu X bar, all right, and the sigma X bar. Remember, you are working on the X bar axis. It's not the X axis, it's not the Z axis, it's X bar axis. That means we are getting everything after sampling of n equals to 36. And this is the central limit theorem again. All right, so now how can I do this one? The mean is 24.3, with the standard deviation 2.6, that's the original one. So the mean is 24.3, and the sigma is 2.6. However, you have to divide by radical 36. So this is what you need to do differently here. And 24.3, 2.6. I just want to make sure 2.6 and 24.3. Yeah. Okay, good. Now, what is the probability of X less than 23.3? So first of all, 23.3 would be behind 24.3, so you're going to be here. This is 23.3. I'm going to raise a vertical line. If I am smaller, X bar is smaller, so I'm going to go left this way, and I'm looking technically for this tail. All right, I'm looking for the area in this tail over here. So again, here I'm going to need the lower bound, the upper bound, and of course I need my environment. All right, so the upper bound is fixed, 23.3. The lower bound is minus infinity here. Okay, so let's go to the calculator and try to do this. All right, you go to second vars, you're gonna go to normal CDF, enter. So minus infinity, I have it there, so it's minus 1 e to the 99. Great, leave it there. The second one is 23.3, so type 23.3. And then you're gonna go to the environment, which is 24.3 for the mean, and the standard deviation is gonna be 2.6. You have to divide it. This is what is different, right? You have to divide it by square root. Square root is here, second and squares, right? And you have to put 36 in there. So I know square root of 36 is 6, but anyway, so type it as is. It could be a different number. Then you're gonna go paste, enter, enter, and you get that information there. So the probability you're looking for is 0.1050. So you're gonna be 0105. So this area that you're looking for is 0105 here, and this should be your answer. Okay, let's plug it in. 0.0105. So that's basically it. No intermediate values, nothing, right? So again, I hope this will help.